How to recover a Genshin Impact account. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open any browser and type in Genshin Impact Support. Click on the option of How do I contact, and then copy the mail by long pressing on it, and then click on Copy. Next, go ahead and open your mail. Click on Compose at the bottom, and on the To option, paste the mail that you have just copied. Under Subject, you can type in Account Recovery, and on the body of the email, go ahead and write information about your account, such as your username, your email, the level you are at, your phone number, your last used password, and your location. You can provide details of how you lost access to your account. Once you've typed out your email, go ahead and click on Send at the top right corner. Once you do this, they'll get back to you and help you recover your account. So this is how to recover Genshin Impact account. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.